In this video we're going to learn how to do or render chrome. You've already learned how to do stainless steel. That's a lot more subtle and you can see it's smoother in terms of how it renders and blends. Chrome it's very stark and sharp. The reason being is chrome by nature is very reflective, and two things you need to keep in mind is that your dark tone reflections are really sharp and your light tones are extremely white. They're just pure white. So let's look at what we need to do. Step one is important that you color match. You can see in comparison to stainless steel, the tones are a lot darker. So make sure you do this carefully. Let's go to our page now. Two things we need to keep in mind is where our white reflections are. In this case, there are two highlights. So you would softly mark out where your white highlights will be, and you will also just quickly do a mark where your dark, your pure black will go next to the white. Like always, you always start with your lighter colors and then you move your way up. So I'll start with the lighter color first. Make sure you don't go into where your highlights should be. It's really important because we want that to be pure white to get the effect we're after. Now we can go and do our middle tones. As you can see, there's slight middle tone just near the edges, and then also I will do middle tone all the way through in the middle section too. So right on the edge, then the other edge, and then we'll do the whole middle section. Like so. Now we'll let it dry. Our third coat is going to be going over our middle section once again. We really want to get a darker effect on the right hand side of this highlight and also on the left hand side of the highlight. So I'll go over it 3 times and then I'll do the same on this side. 1, 2, 3, and then now we can blend it like so. Now we can move up and get our third tone. Now that's just going to help us to get that sort of darker effect on both the right hand side of the highlight and the left. Because it's a highly reflective material, it's okay to have that sharp sort of ending sharply. In comparison to the stainless steel, you really want it to blend out. Now for this you can use a pure black, but we really want that dark tone reflection to be as sharp as possible. Just like so. And then you have it. So now to recap, remember, first of all, do your color matching. Secondly, with a pencil. Now it's important that you do that in your mind or rub it off later. Don't press too hard because then you won't be able to rub it off. So even I've pressed a bit hard here. But there you can see our nice 2 solid white highlights, then our middle tones, and then our third dark tone, which is right in the center area only, and then to finish it off, a nice black solid line to give us that dark tone reflection.